freaking adorable. Can you drink it? Hi. You did this a second ago. You were sucking on your tongue. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Ah, you good girl. You're doing so good. Yes. She's like, that's the camera.
She wants to put her smudgy little fingers all over the glass.
Yes, you do.
Put your smudgy little fingers all over the lens.
Oh, precious. Yeah.
Oh, she wants nothing more in the world. To smudge up my camera.
And now that we're gonna help Daddy play his game. Yay! Aww.